Hello my friends, so today I'm back with another review, and this time it is a coffee cup warmer or a lightweight coffee cup warmer. I was sent this and asked to review this product, and I must tell you, I just don't review any and anything unless it has purpose and use for me and for my viewers, but I'm in love with this little coffee cup warmer. So let me introduce you to this product, and I hope you enjoy. Catch you over there. Oh, and that's my husband playing in the background. So this is our little mug warmer. It's very lightweight. So let me open it and see. It has a cord that you plug in, and I chose this color because it's it has a faux wood look, and I think it blends in so nicely with that speaker, the Bluetooth speaker that I reviewed last week. And this is what it looks like, and these are some of the features. It heats to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's the surface. It's like a coaster that you place on your desk or on your counter, and once it's plugged in, you can set your coffee cup down. It works best if the cup is covered, so that way it keeps the heat longer. The heat can last up to 8 hours plugged up, and then it automatically shuts itself off. It has 3 temperature setting: 104, 131 and 149 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a perfect gift for someone who works from home and loves to drink coffee. Let me know what you think about this, guys. I think this is so cute. I love it. I took it to the office and plugged it in by my desk, and that is where it remained. And you will see a picture of it by my desk at the end of it. But here it also has the instructional manual. All the instructions in here are very easy to follow. You can't go wrong with this. It has an on-off button. You press that once and it turns on. You press it again and it turns off. And I must caution here, this is open surface heat, so you have to be careful with the surface. You can't leave this around children because it is plugged up and it generates heat, and you don't want anybody to be hurt. So be careful about that. And if you leave it plugged up, it will last for 8 hours. And that's basically your work day for 8 hours, right? And this can be used every day. It has the everyday utility of comfort, and it's a coaster warmer. You can plug that up right by your sofa while you're binging those Hallmark movie during the cold winter time. Here I'm testing it out with a cup. And like I said, it's preferably if your cup is covered because that helps to keep the heat in. And here it is on my desk at work. Love it. And can you tell by the size of my cup that I love to drink a lot of coffee? So let me know what you think about this coaster coffee warmer. I love it. I will leave a link for this down in my description box so you can check that out. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.